This video shows you how to replace the tray roller kit of your printer. Change the rollers in the trays to prevent streaks on your prints and to avoid paper jams. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Remove tray 1. Remove the used rollers. Insert the new rollers. Insert tray 1. Pull out tray 4. And then pull out tray 3. Pull out handle C. Remove the used rollers. Insert the new rollers. Remove tray 1. Remove tray 2. Remove the used rollers. Insert the new rollers. Insert handle C. Insert trays 3 and 4. Insert trays 2 and 1. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.